So first, let's deal with what's in the inmost parentheses in this first example, which is going to be the 4 minus 5. Because remember, it's PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we're going to do the parentheses here first. So the 6 minus part is still going to just be hanging out, spectating. But 4 minus 5 is something we can do. 4 minus 5 is -1. Now remember, you're like, hey, I see 2 negative signs in a row. I'm going to go double dagger. Good job, guys. Okay, so there's going to be 6 plus +1. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. Boom, that one's done. Okay, now, I got this other example. We've got 2 items in parentheses, this 4 minus 1 and 0 minus 4. We can actually work on them simultaneously. So this 4 minus 1, that's going to become 3, and I keep everything else as is. Now look, this 0 minus 4 is -4, and I'm going to put it in parentheses. Keep in parentheses just because it's a negative number, and I usually keep negative numbers enclosed in parentheses. So -4 cubed is our next thing, because remember, it's PEMDAS, so E stands for exponents. We're going to do that. -4 cubed, oh, that becomes -64. Everything else is just still hanging out here. Now, plus a negative is going to be a minus. So basically, this really works out to be 3 times 3 minus 64. Now we've got multiplication. We're going to do left to right, multiplication, division. So the multiplication part we have is this 3 times 3, which is going to become 9 minus 64. And then 9 minus 64 simplifies to -55. Awesome. Cool. That one's done. Now this last example, 6 to the 5 minus 3. Well, remember, we do the only thing here going on is really the exponent. So we have to simplify the exponent actually. So 5 minus 3 is going to simplify to 2. So it's 6 to the 2, which is also called 6 squared, which is 6 times 6, which happens to be 36, and we're done. We're done here.